that I built. We're going to do this pretty fast, okay? It is called JD ThemeSync. You can find it by Googling it. It's actually this first one right here. Or you can get to it from johnthequant.com. This is my website if you have not been there. Under Apps, JD ThemeSync. Click on that. And it'll pull it up here. Give it a second to load. There it goes. And just enter your email address, john@johnthequant.com. That's mine. Click Access. And here you go. You can upload your resume, upload your job description. You can do both. And you can do more than one, but for this tutorial, we're just going to do one of each. This is my resume. Go ahead and upload that. Go ahead and upload the job description. We'll pick this one there and click Run. This will take about a minute to run, so I'll check back in a minute. Alright, that took a couple of minutes, but now we scroll down. You can see the summary of my resume, all this information. I want you to pay special attention to these two sections down at the bottom. The typos in your resume, go through those so you can get your resume up to snuff. And then the perfect position profile. This is the job that this tool thinks you would be a perfect fit for. So mine is Senior AI or ML Engineer at a SaaS company. And then there's some more requirements there. But it goes through everything, your strengths and your weaknesses and the themes. This is how you present yourself in your resume. Next, the job description. You could get kind of the same information. There are the themes of the job description. These are things that are important areas of alignment for your resume and the job description to have. There's some green flags and caution signs. And then down here at the bottom is a perfect score profile, which is going to describe somebody that would get a perfect score when in comparison to this job description. So if you read this and it sounds like it describes you, then you should be applying for this position. This is the person who is going to get that job. So if it sounds like you, go ahead and apply. Then lastly, over here we have the rating. And if you scroll down, you can see my overall rating is 87 out of 100. Anything above an 80 is something you probably ought to apply for. And it's going to give you a little summary and tell you about the different fits. And here we go, suggestions for professional development. These are areas that, if I was to add them to my resume, would make me a better fit for the position. So these are things that I might consider learning, or if I've already done them, I might consider adding them to my resume. Gives you a final verdict down here, and then you can go through in each section. It gives you a rating out of 100 to show your alignment and help you fine-tune your resume for this position. And that's it. That's how you use this tool. How I would do it is I would upload my resume first. I would look at the perfect position profile. I would look for jobs that match this description. And then I would find my rating. And if I scored high, like I did on this one, 87 out of 100, I would apply for those jobs. And that's it. If you learned something from this, please like the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Go try this. There is a link in the description below. Try it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to keep learning with me, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks.